Illnesses are surging across the region. Hospitals are struggling to find space for patients. COVID isn't causing as much concern this year, but parents and caregivers are still worried.
RSV and the flu are at their highest levels in years. Kids are being hit the hardest, of course, and our Esther Bowers in studio tonight to show us this growing issue in our region and across the country. Esther.
Well, guys, sickness has only gotten worse over the past few months. Take a look at this map. Back in October, a lot of states were green. This means low flu activity. Now, come November, this map is more of a rainbow, with some states reporting higher flu activity with red and purple colors. Fast forward to now, almost every state is seeing high or very high flu activity, which is affecting our local healthcare systems and worrying parents.
Not fun being sick around the holidays.
And it's terrible for parents when their kids aren't healthy. We caught up with a local father on FaceTime feeling that stress.
They look good, and then the next thing you know, they just absolutely tank and are in the drain.
His 7-year-old came down with a fever and had to miss school for days, and she's not alone.
Unfortunately, this is the tragic part of these infections, that children are being impacted the most by this current surge.
More kids are coming down with the flu and RSV, and caring for kids is complicated.
We reached the point last week where the entire state was down to one bed left in the ICU for children across the state. So very, very high capacity of children that are in.
Mike's daughter thankfully didn't have to go to the hospital, but another issue is making sickness harder to cure.
I went to a Rite Aid to just kind of pick up some Tylenol or kids' ibuprofen, and the shelves were completely empty.
He's encouraging parents to stock up on any medicines they find and make sure kids are washing their hands often. It's too soon to tell how long this surge will last, but trying to prevent illness by staying home if you're sick and getting a flu shot will help us all make it through these winter sicknesses. And it's not just the flu and RSV the CDC is worried about. They're now tracking an increase in strep A infections affecting children, and kids under 10 are the most at risk. The CDC says the best way to protect yourself is by washing your hands often. Reporting in studio tonight, Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.